Hey you guys, so today's video I'm showing you how I made this bright snake print blinged out set. If you guys want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with my extra long coffin tips, and I've already filed and buffed them. And then I'm going ahead with my McCart polish. This one is this really pretty like orangey yellow color. I believe it's the color 3004, but it does come in like a whole kit of McCart polishes. So you got options, baby. But I'm going to apply on 2 coats and then cure in my lamp for between each coat for 60 seconds. And once the 2 coats are cured, I'm going to go ahead with some nail foil glue. Today I'm using the McCart one and just applying it on whatever nails it is you want to have the snake print, because that's our next step. And the snake print, it came in a box of 10 different foils off of AliExpress. So the one that I'm using is just this kind of like yellow type of snake print. Y'all, I don't know nothing about reptiles, so I could not tell you what type of snake this is or what it could be, but I know it's a snake print transfer foil. And if you are not new to my channel, then you've seen me struggle with transfer foils in my last videos. I find that the best way is to go in a vertical motion, and if you need to, then go horizontal like around the sides, but it just comes on so much smoother when you go vertical. Like, look at this coverage, full out. Y'all, I think I've mastered foils. And now that the foils are done, we are going to move on to some bling bling. Hey. So I'm taking the ring finger and I'm taking my UV gel nail glue. I guess that's what you would call it. But you do have to cure this one in the lamp. So I'm just going to apply it on the whole nail because it's going to be bling blinged out, okay? So I have this multi-size pack of gems, and then I also have these kind of oval shaped ones in this, I guess you could call it citrine color, because they're not quite orange. They're a bit lighter than a typical just orange. So I'm going to use various sizes and then just basically put them all over the nail. So I'm just starting with those oval shaped ones and putting them like in the center, and then using those as, I guess, kind of like a centerpiece, and then building around it. And you could totally just use these if you don't want a full blinged out nail, and then use some of the bigger crystals like I'm doing here, and then just kind of have like a centerpiece rather than an entire bling nail, because it actually is really cute with just a few stones. But I wanted these nails to be blinged the F out, okay? So just keep going and put it on different sizes of crystals until you fill up the whole nail. And I like to start with the bigger crystals because they take up the most space, and then the smaller crystals are what? Oh my gosh. Then the smaller crystals are great gap fillers. So just put them wherever you see fit. Put them here, put them there, girl, put them everywhere. And once you're happy with your bling, I like to cure them in my lamp for 2 minutes just to make sure they're secure. And the last step is go ahead and add some top coat to the other nails, cure in your lamp, and bam, you got these cute orange snake print blinged out nails. And this is what our set is looking like, you guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up for me, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.